this is the brake though, and these are the, this is the clutch lever, master cylinder, this thing, okay, I don't know what is this.
3 hours later.
Damn, it was a hard time putting on these clutch levers and these brake levers with the hydraulic the radial pumping with the master cylinder over it. So far I've just driven the bike for around about 2 or 3 kilometers, but not more than that. So and also I need to update you guys what all did I do which I had to do, again about some jugaad or something like that for these to fit in our bike. First of all, talking about these the quality is superb. I don't know about the other bikes, but on this bike it's was a hell of a task for me to put on these, because TVS has not made the bike flexible to modify or do any kind of things like putting on some brake levers or anything else. It was just very difficult for me to put on these, and why it was difficult I'll just tell you in a bit. I'll just stop around here. So again, it looks fantastic. Now the first thing I had to face is that this is the clutch switch, I guess, and the stock clutch switch was pretty much embedded in the lever itself, and this is like outside the lever. So about the wiring, I have to do something about the wiring. I have still not put up the clutch switch in this clutch. So if I don't put on the clutch switch in the switches, like the wiring and all, I can't start the bike in any of the gear. I have to completely make it to neutral, obviously. Now right over here, the brakes are actually performing very good. These are very short if you compare it with the stock levers. Again, this is the brake switch wire. Now if you don't know what is brake switch wire, basically when you press the brake, the front or the rear, the tail light lights up and indicates the rider behind you or the person behind you that you are braking, so that he or she also stops. So yeah, I have not put up this because again, it's very complicated according to the system they have given. They have actually given these two wires thing which are directly connected to this, and now I have to do something again for this thing to put on these two wires in these two hoses. Rather than that, the bike looks completely different and feels different. Adjustable clutches, then again adjustable front brake lever, This is cool, man. I've never seen such a short clutch. I'll just show you the video. It's not so complete if you take a close look at that, because it was a task again, as I said, for me to put on those both levers, because it took me around 2.5 hours to 2 hours for just one side of the handle. Now again, one thing I would like to mention over here, that this reservoir to the radial cylinder, the radial function system, the pipe, you can say the flow that goes was very much big. I had to cut this down in order to enably fix this angle shaped reservoir holder again into that. And also I have used .4 oil in this again. You should obviously use .3 or .4 oil, not .5, not .5.1. basically not .5. .5 is again a different thing. And also remember one thing, that 3000 kilometers completed, and I will be posting soon the ownership review of 3000 kilometers over this bike, because it's hardly, I guess, 3.5 months maybe I have bought this bike. So yeah, I will be posting it very soon. And if you're gonna buy these, I would like to tell you that if you buy these, you can buy these are fantastic, man, no doubt. But if you have the right tool, the right equipment and the right knowledge, then and only then you should install it at a home. Otherwise, go to a specialist who knows about this stuff, because as I said about this thing, the clutch switch wire and the brake switch wire, I have to still do something for that. And as soon as I find out something for that switches, the wires, I will post the video soon. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace.
La 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 la. Triple mic. I'm Triple Mike. Subscribe.